Looking at the verified facts they provided, the river is in Peru near Mayantiacu, about 6 km long, with temperatures up to 100 degrees C, boiling point. It's not volcanic. Rainwater heats underground, then surges back up. Animals falling in get cooked from the inside out. Locals know it. Russo studied it in 2010s. Steam curls off the river's surface like breath on a winter morning. The air shimmers, thick with heat haze. You hear it first, a low, constant gurgle beneath the rainforest's chorus. Then you see the evidence. A jaguar's footprint pressed deep into mud near the bank, where the river's edge steams violently. No animal crosses here. Andres Russo crouched in the mud that felt warm beneath his palms. He'd spent weeks listening to the Quichua elders near Mayantiacu. They spoke of a sacred river that cooked food, boiled animals. He dismissed it as myth, local exaggeration, until he saw the steam rising from a dead caiman, half submerged, its scales cracked and blackened. He felt the heat radiating off the water's surface, not the gentle warmth of a hot spring, but a fierce, insistent heat. He dipped a thermometer, 86 degrees Celsius. Then, near a deep pool, the reading climbed to 98. The water roared silently beneath the surface. This wasn't volcanic. The nearest active volcano lay hundreds of kilometers away. Russo traced the steam rising from fissures in the riverbank. He realized the river wasn't fed by magma. Rainwater seeped deep into the earth. The Earth's natural heat gradient warmed it over kilometers. Then, through hidden fractures in the bedrock, the superheated water surged back up. It wasn't a volcanic river. It was the Earth's own geothermal engine pumping hot water from the deep crust, feeding the river. The locals knew. The animals knew. The science was finally catching up. The river churns, not with current, but with invisible energy. Scalding water pools near the banks, steam curling in the humid air. Animal bones bleach in the shallows, fish, frogs, even a small monkey found near a deep, dark pool. The water doesn't bubble gently, it roars silently beneath the surface, a deep, constant hiss. Locals avoid the hottest stretches. They know the river cooks what falls in. It isn't accidental, it's deliberate heat. Rainwater seeps through porous rock, sinking kilometers deep. The Earth's natural heat gradient warms it slowly, like a slow cooker underground. At that depth, temperatures rise steadily. Fractures in the bedrock act like pipes, channeling the superheated water upward. The river isn't fed by fire, it's fed by the planet's own deep warmth. Russo measured the gradient. He tracked the heat flow. The science matched the water, deep, slow, geological, not explosive. The nearest active volcano is hundreds of kilometers away. No lava flows, no ash clouds. The river's heat comes from the crust itself, not from magma. Geologists confirmed the absence of volcanic activity along the river's path. The rock formations show no signs of recent magmatic intrusion. The heat is steady, not sudden. It's not volcanic. It's the earth breathing through its cracks. Indigenous communities called it sacred long before geologists arrived. They avoided the steam. They knew the water could cook a fish in seconds. Their elders spoke of the river's power, its name meaning boiling river in their language. Russo listened. He didn't just measure temperatures, he listened to generations of knowing. The science now confirms what the people knew. This river isn't hot because of the sky. It's hot because of the Earth's own heart. The heat flows, the river moves, the Earth speaks. Steam rises in thick white plumes where the river meets the rainforest air. A small monkey slips on mossy stones. It hits the water with a sharp gasp. The surface bubbles violently. The heat isn't from a volcano. It's from deep within the planet. The water cooks the animal from the inside out. No bubbles of steam from magma, just the relentless, steady heat of the crust. Some wondered if industry leaked hot water from a mine, but the river flows through untouched jungle. No pipelines, no factories. The nearest road is hours away. The steam rises only where the earth cracks open. It's not pollution, it's geology. Geologists mapped the riverbed. No volcanic rock, no ash deposits. The rock is ancient sandstone, unbroken by lava. The heat flows through fractures in the rock, not through magma. It's the Earth's natural gradient, the steady increase in temperature with depth. Rainwater seeps through these cracks, heated deep below, then surges back up. To confirm, scientists need deep core samples, drill through the sandstone into the hot layer, find water heated by the crust alone, not by magma, look for chemical traces matching deep groundwater, not volcanic gas. Without that data, the mystery lingers. The evidence points to the gradient, but not yet conclusive. The river moves quietly under the canopy. The steam fades as the sun sets. The locals call it sacred. They know the truth written in the water. The earth breathes through its cracks. The question isn't whether the river is hot. It's what other secrets lie hidden in the silence below. What other rivers breathe.